Introduce ya.
My name is Ronald R. Cañete. I'm 28 years old and my sister is Jonalyn Rivera.
Ikaw, Tean.
My name is Ana Maria S. Tumakmol. I am 24 years old.
Sikit.
My
Ikaw.
name is
Okay.
Ronaldin Rivera, 38 years old. My husband, Ronaldo Ortega, Eli Ortega, o si Chinchin Ortega, o si Ronald Ortega. Pamilya ni mo yan?
Anak, my name is
My daughter name is Atalia Eve T. Cañete. She is 3 years old now.
Thank you.
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 Ito. Walang salit. Katong gisulti ni Corino.
Boyong Sanim, thank you. Boyong Sanim, thank you.
Ito.
Thank you, Boyong Sanim, for helping us, and I hope God give you more blessings to come, and then God give you long life and good health, and God give you more blessings to back your blessings. Thank you.
Thank you.